Welcome to our channel. Today, we will review a topic that interests everyone who seeks to become more efficient and productive in their work, study, even in daily life. If you are one of those people who suffer from lack of time to accomplish tasks, this video is for you. We will provide you with 10 guaranteed tips for time management and productivity. Follow us, and don't forget to subscribe and press the like button and benefit. Tip number 1. Set your priorities. Some using a method I can help to identify urgent tasks that need your immediate attention and allocate it. Plan your day. Planning ahead makes anything simple. When you start, write down a list and set a timer. Fellow or knows how to organize and manage your tasks better. Technology can be a great helper. Tip number 6. Break big tasks down into small ones. If you have a big project, break it down into smaller steps. This will make it easier to see progress and motivate you. Tip 7. Don't neglect rest. Many people think that productivity comes from continuous work. The truth is that adequate rest helps. Tip number 8. Exercising. Some light exercise during. Tip number 9. Evaluate your progress. Right? This time each week, evaluate. Tip number 10. Commitment and consistency. Don't expect change overnight. In the end, managing time and increasing productivity is not all you have to do is follow and apply that. Sound? You